How to choose the right optional subject for the IAS exam, a step-by-step guide. Every IAS aspirant understands the crucial role an optional subject plays in the UPSC Civil Services examination. It can often be the deciding factor between making it to the final list and falling short. However, many candidates either don't invest enough time or skip the necessary research to arrive at the perfect optional subject for themselves. This video lays down a proven 4-step methodology to help you identify and lock in the right optional subject, one that aligns with your strengths, interests, and exam readiness. Step 1. Choose 10 subjects. 5 related plus 5 non-related subjects. UPSC offers 48 optional subjects, 25 general subjects, from agriculture to zoology, and 23 literature subjects, from Assamese to Urdu, including English literature. As mentioned, your first task is to create a shortlist of 10 subjects. Split this into 2 groups, 5 related subjects and 5 non-related subjects. 5 related subjects means subjects with which you already have a connection, like educational background, work experience, or personal interest. For example, if your engineering degree is in mechanical engineering, it should be on your list. If geography was your favorite subject in school, include that too. Literature subjects like English can also fall under this category if you've had deep exposure or interest. 5 non-related subjects are subjects you have heard are good for UPSC, from toppers, teachers, coaching institutes, or peers. Subjects like public administration, sociology, anthropology, political science, etc., are often suggested in this category due to their scoring potential and overlap with general studies. Choose 5 subjects from this group that you believe you can learn well and write effective answers in. Step 2. Narrow down to 2 or 3 subjects. From your list of 10, reduce the number to 2 or 3 subjects. Here's how to filter down. 1. Study the syllabus. Understand what the subject deals with and see if the topics appeal to you. Full syllabus is given in the notification. Link in the description. 2. Go through previous year question papers. Check what kind of questions UPSC asks. This gives you insight into the subject's depth and complexity. Search in Google for mains question papers of your choice. 3. Read some model answers. This also you can find from net. See if you can understand and replicate the style, structure, and depth required in high-scoring answers. This stage is all about aligning the subject's demands with your own ability to understand and present content well. With this exercise, you will reduce the number of subjects into 2 or 3. Step 3. Test drive each of the final 3. This is a slightly longer and more intense step, but absolutely essential. Pick one chapter from each of the 2 or 3 shortlisted subjects and study it in detail. Write answers to questions from that chapter and evaluate your performance critically. The goal is to test how well you can comprehend the subject. Write meaningful and structured answers and enjoy learning that subject. This is where your interest plays a major role. If you are not naturally inclined toward the subject, comprehension and retention will suffer, and that will reflect in your answers. By the end of this stage, you should be able to eliminate 1 or 2 options and zero in on one subject that stands out as the best fit for you. Step 4. Confirm and lock your subject. Now that you have chosen your most suitable subject, it's time to confirm your decision. Take 3 random chapters from this subject and study them as if you are preparing for the actual exam. Write full-length answers. Evaluate your output with honesty. You should be able to understand and enjoy the content. See scope for improvement. Feel confident in your ability to master it over time. Once you're convinced, lock this subject as your final optional. Timeline and final advice. This entire process should take around 2 weeks. It may seem like a lot of time, but considering the weightage of the optional subject in the mains exam, it's a worthy investment. Stay patient and open-minded. Be ready to change your preference if a subject you initially favored doesn't work out during testing. The goal is to play to your strengths, exactly what UPSC expects from serious aspirants. Remember, every successful candidate writes the same GS papers, but it's the optional subject that sets toppers apart. It's your unique choice, and your marks here can make all the difference. As a conclusion, let us recap the process. 1. Shortlist 10 subjects, 5 related plus 5 non-related. 2. Cut down to 2 or 3 subjects after studying the syllabus, PYQs, and model answers. 3. Test each of the final 3 by studying a chapter and writing answers. 4. Dive deep into 3 random chapters of the chosen subject and confirm your final decision. Choose wisely, prepare smartly, and success in UPSC will surely follow. All the best for your IAS journey. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content, smart preparation, real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.